Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Larietta Situa. Guys, if today it's your first time watching my video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and comment on the video. I mean, the comments is really important. You get it? It's really important. So guys, by watching this video, don't forget to hit the notification bell and be part of my members. Okay, so on today's video guys, I want to teach you how to get 1,000 subscribers for free. And mind you, you are not going to turn anything off and on. You get it? You are not going to turn anything off and on. Practice this and you are good to go. You are going to grow your channel as for free. You are going to like this. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment under the video. So I'm giving you 5 steps to follow and your channel is going. Step 1, customize your channel how to stand. You get it? Customize your channel. Okay, the reason why I'm saying customize your channel is creating a channel as a new YouTuber. Nobody knows you on YouTube. YouTube is not like TikTok, Facebook that are easy to be found or easy to be followed. So when you start your YouTube channel, you need to introduce new people on your channel. You get it? By your friends, seeing new people around, introduce your channel, get customers. You get it? Sell your channel, get customers for your channel. Introduce yourself to people. I'm a YouTuber. Please, can you be able to subscribe to my channel? Through this, you'll be able to be kind to each other you see outside. You get it? And this way will help you to grow your channel. This is the step 1 way you can grow your channel. And step 2, don't be afraid to ask for people to subscribe to your channel. It's same as to customize your channel. Don't be afraid to ask for people to subscribe to your channel. Let me make an example. For me, when I started my channel, I used to have friends on Facebook, and before my YouTube, I don't accept friends requests. But when I created the channel, I used to accept friend requests. Why? Because I want subscribers. So the moment I accept people on YouTube and on Facebook, you see them sending you message on Messenger, hi, hello, how are you, and the rest. So then I took that advantage to grow my channel. I will send you my video. When you send me a message like how are you doing, then for my reply I will send you my video. Please, can you watch my video and subscribe it for me? You get it? So that's how the strategy that I used to grow my channel. Then on WhatsApp, you can have you have friends on WhatsApp. You can put it on your status. You can ask your colleagues, your friends to subscribe it for you. There isn't easy. Not all of them are going to subscribe for you, but don't be pissed on them. Don't get angry about not subscribing. It's not forced. You get it? So this is the step 2. Let's come on step 3. Be a creative. Create a videos that your viewers can't stop watching. You get it? For me, when you come into my videos, you see a lot of videos that I have been able to reach 4K, 5K, and the rest. These videos are videos that were able to go viral. And for instance, there are a lot of people on YouTube here that has been able to gather a lot of viewers. You get it? Whenever that they post a video, the video must able to earn maybe 1 million viewers, 2 point something viewers. You get it? So these videos are a very creative, like a creative videos. These videos, like that videos brings a lot of viewers for him or for her. You get it? So if you want to be a content creator on YouTube, be a creative so that your videos will be able to go on viral. So by creating videos that your viewers want will help you to gain subscribers. Like when they watch the videos, they like it. That's why they are keeping on watching your videos, so they will actually subscribe to your channel. So back on step 4, double down content your audience wants or loves. You get it? Double down content your audience loves. Sometimes when you come into my video, I have many type of videos in my channel. You get it? There are a lot of videos that has been able to go viral. That means my audience actually like those particular videos. So wanting your subscribers to grow, be able to make a different kinds of video. For instance, if you are creating a video about food and it's not going, try and do different thing. Maybe that will help you to grow your channel or your subscribers faster on YouTube. You get it? So try and do something, like something unique that will bring you more subscribers. Guys, step 5, keep viewers shocked on recommendations. When you go, like sometimes when you read comments from your comment section, you might see that some of your viewers has been comment, like they've given you a comment about your video. Maybe this particular video, keep on doing it, or I want you to make this video for me. Don't take it as granted. They truly like your videos, and that's why they are recommending that from you. So try and make them shocked by when they ask you about, like when they ask any videos or anything, or ask you, this video that you are doing is not good, please stop. And you will be able to grow your channel faster and easy. You get it? So if you're able to watch this video to an end, guys, you like in a month you get your 1,000 subscribers without turning anything off or on. You get it? Turning something on or off, and you are not practicing these things, your channel will not be able to grow, because you will not do what your subscribers want, so your channel will not grow. If I come to your videos and your videos are not nice, are not juicy, are not suitable, it won't, like, I won't come and watch your videos again. You get it? And I will not introduce your channel to others also to watch. So doing this will help your subscribers grow. So guys, if today is your first time of watching my video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and hit the notification bell. As I always say, commenting on the video help us a lot, because it helps us to know our limits on the channel or our content. You get it? So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and comment, and hit the notification bell. See you on my next video. I'm Larietta.